guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be learning about how to link and unlink video and audio. I have three different ways that you guys can do this. Alright, let's get started. So here we are in the edit mode. Basically what you want to do is you want to click on your video and audio, and you're going to go up to this little, just chain this little link here and click it off. Alright, now you click off the audio and video, and basically you can move it freely. You can move it to wherever you want, and you can always right click and cut it like that. Alright, so that is the first one. I have the second one here. The second way you can do it is clicking the video, and okay, hold on, let's link this back up real quick. Yep, alright, so it's linked back up. So alright, the second way is you right click on the video and you scroll all the way down to link clips. Alright, and then you basically click it, and you can see how the little unchained thing down here on the bottom left corner has disappeared. You click off and you can move it freely also, and once again you can right click and erase it. Alright, super simple. Alright, now the third way, briefly let me go back. Now the third way you would do, if you didn't notice, if you right click, it gives you this little hotkey right here, and it is Control Alt L. So basically we go Control Alt and L, and it has, hold on, it did not do it. Alright, so Control Alt L, and once again the chains have disappeared. Now you can basically move it freely, and once again you can exit out. You can cut it out if you would like. If y'all enjoy this type of content, you should check out my other videos right here. But if that's not for you, then don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.